Today I'd like to show you the latest edition of PRStomper. Just give you a quick overview, just to show you how to use it. When you first load it up and you pass all the protection checks, then you get to this screen. The first thing you've got to do is create an account. So we go to PRStomper account creator, and then we enter a Tumblr username. Now I'm just going to enter anything here just to show you quickly. It doesn't make sense, but obviously yours will. Email. This has to be a real email because they do check it, so and here we put the URL that you want to link to. It's got to be a top level domain, it can't be deep link unfortunately, but these links are pretty good, so it's worth it. We're just going to put mydomain.com. mydomain.com might not exist, it's not my domain, it's just to demonstrate to you how to use Tumblr. So you put your domain there, or the link that you want to post it to. Right, under keyword you put your keyword. Tumblr can be fussy, sometimes the keyword's gone so you have to pick another one. You can't put spaces in keywords. You can put a dash. I'm not sure if you can put more than one dash, but you can put a dash. So you can put, for example, say we wanted to put our keyword as one word. Whoops, can't spell. One word. Here. Then what we would do is we will we'll click on create Tumblr account. As you can see, the Tumblr screen. There's the details that we entered. You don't have to touch anything at the moment. It does solve captcha. If you haven't entered your captcha details in, what it will do at this point is it will pop up a box so you can enter the captcha yourself. If you have entered the captcha details, then it will solve it for you, so you just wait. I'll show you why you can put your captcha details in a second. Once it's actually created the account, it will log into Tumblr. As you can see, it says dashboard untitled. There you go. So we're all logged into Tumblr. Okay, now what we do after we've logged into Tumblr, we only need to do this once, is we press the set link button. And what that will do is that will set all our domain and keyword and linking system up ready for Tumblr. Now, a little box pops up there. If you just read that box, it'll tell you that you've got to select a theme. So what we'll do, we will do that now. So it can be any theme, just as long as we click one. So I'm going to pick that one there. We just hit that, hit install theme. Tumblr will go and do its stuff. I haven't verified the email there. So there's a step there you need to do in front. You need to verify your email. So let's pretend that we've just verified the email. Okay, so the link thing now should be set. Wait for it to finish loading. Okay, at this point, if you want to check if your account's actually made, what you can do once you've gone to the main tab, you can click log out of Tumblr and it'll actually log you out. And like I said, just to check that it has made it okay, click log into Tumblr again, and if it logs in, your account's good. Obviously at this point you've checked your email and confirmed it, otherwise the links don't show up. Okay, so we're logged into Tumblr. Now all we do, start at link position, I leave that at 0, so it'll start at the first position in the list of links that you've got. Number of links to post 5, that'll do for now. Obviously you've got to have scraped some links first with a scraper, I'll just show you that quickly. I won't put any keyword or niche there, just to, and then I press start scrape. That'll then go and find some links ready to post for us. While this is finding its results, I'll just show you the capture thing. It's where you can put your capture details. So you go to Tools, click on Capture Services, and there you can see Death by Capture and Decapture also. Them are the ones that I've added myself. If you go to add, you can add bypass capture, death by capture or decapture. You just click on one of them, enter the relevant details, for example, and once you've done that, then it'll come up with your balance here, like it's doing there with mine. Like I said, if you don't enter the capture details, then it'll pop up a box manually. We're just finishing for these results to finish. It'll do about 30 pages, which is what Google likes to throw at you. Once it's actually finished finding the pages, it'll say there by the status, it'll say scrape complete. So now that's done, we can click back on the main tab. We'll just make sure we're logged into Tumblr, so I'll log out. And I'll log back in again, just to make sure. And then once that's done, we can press Post Links. Now that will actually navigate to each link in the list that it's found, and it'll start posting your information that you put. As you can see, it's doing its stuff. Your link will now be put on that page. It does take a couple of minutes for the links to appear, so what you're best doing is do the run that you're doing, and then once you're finished, if you want to check which ones are there and which ones aren't, go back to the list that you've actually pasted from, which will be just urls.txt, and you can navigate to them manually just to check what links have been posted and what haven't. When it's actually finished posting, you'll see there total number of links posted will match the number that you've got there. There's the total number of your list, and it'll come up and it'll say posting complete. So on the posting complete, we just press OK. As you can see, there was an error on that one. All that means is that that page there probably won't exist anymore. It's just an old link that's left in Google. So that's it. That's all we've got today for the posting, and when you've done that, that's exactly how you do it from start to end. I hope that wasn't too long for you, and I hope it explains a few things for you. Thanks very much for watching.